Yo, I may cuss, but I don't curse. Let's get that situated first. Kansas, this one's for y'all. You already know how we do. At least around this moment in time, it's going to be a 3-card draw. I'm not going to hold y'all long. Bars are nice. But anyway, look, all seriousness. We're going to start this off with the Knight of Cups being in reverse, followed by the Hanged Man, followed by the Hermit. Now, right now you're in a state of suspension, which is deliberate. It's good that you're doing what you're doing because it gives you the time to do the inner work, the processing that's needed to develop. It's kind of like training yourself, preparing yourself, pep talks, personal pep talks, gearing up for what is to come. I think some of y'all intuition is so sharp, right? That you know, and you may have been led to this, but you know that someone is coming through with an offer for you that matches your fly or matches what it is that you personify. Bars, fucking nice. But listen, right? You know, it's an individual. This person is someone who is emotionally intelligent, all right? Not meaning that they go off on their emotions entirely or they're a very emotional person, emotionally intelligent, so they know how to read emotions, process them in order to rationalize them and still make things blossom from that without it being downplayed as emotions being bad, right? When people can emotionally connect about something that it is that they do in life, something that they want to do in life, or again, for you, I'm feeling strongly that it's something that you personify. And this person is probably the catalyst to uplift that in you. Pause, it's crazy. And you know that y'all have this type of connection. There was never no date set, there was never even really any formal communication to say or streamlined communication to say, look, this is what I'm working on. This is what I'm thinking about when I see you. Watch when I come back through. I'm going to have this opportunity for you. None of those words were spoken. However, it's like an unspoken belief, an unspoken thing that both of you really use telepathy to understand. So the patience that's being exercised here, because I get that it's not delay, it's patience that's being exercised, at least on your part. Now, the person that's coming towards you, they are on a quest in general, and you happen to fit inside of that quest. Or should I say, moreover, you are a great candidate for that quest. But because it's a quest, they also have to, like I said, this person is emotionally intelligent, so they have to consider other options, other opportunities. This is based around some business, I feel. This person is a prideful person at the same time, so they care about their work. They care about how the image is perceived, whether it's good or bad, I'm feeling, right? But they still care how it's packaged, if that makes sense. Well, if I'm gonna be a terrible person, then let me look fresh as hell when the Fed's watching. You understand what I'm saying? Like, if it's one of those, it's like that. But whatever alley it's in, that's this person's attitude. They're going to be prideful in what they do. So, putting all of their eggs in your basket, is not wise to this person. They also know that it's not wise to the connection because you are also so intuitive that you would pick up on that and you would say, well, damn, you putting all of that on me? Not saying you're not personified enough to gain that type of attention, but at the same time, if this person is who they say they are, you would even feel like you're doing them more harm than good if they were to put that much attention and put all of their eggs in your basket instead of carrying on with the quest, which could entail other individuals. You understand? And not for nothing, lo and behold, you do have like this competitive spirit, not because you necessarily want to, because you know it's something that comes with the game. So you just like, if that person, or should that person go on a quest that entails other people around, I might as well prepare and take my time anyway. I don't want to be the first person in the fold. Let me be 10th or something. You know what I'm saying? Because when I come through, I know I'm going to receive this type of whatever friction or just competitive edge from other people when I step in the building anyway, because that just comes with the game. So you're cool with it, you're okay with it, and you would rather it that way because that gives you the opportunity to sharpen who you are. But at this time, you're also going through something that you need to heal from. Something personal is going on with you. It has nothing to do with the relationship between you and the person who's offering you the opportunity. And you also don't want to show up wearing that on your sleeve when you obtain this opportunity, because you know yourself well enough to know you'll be leaking all over the floor. And remember, this person is an intelligent, emotionally intelligent, who's bringing you the opportunity, the offer. So they're going to pick up on that very quickly, and it will probably strike the conversation that you probably don't want to have because you feel like it's personal and there's no need to, especially when you're addressing something that is professional, right? And who knows if that would become something that you confide in them about. I don't have that information just as of yet, but I know in the meantime, you'd rather handle it yourself, and you are strong enough to handle it yourself. So yeah, you've been pretty quiet this time, and something, I don't know if it's like, it's something in your past, so this is what I feel. And I feel like this is tied to the opportunity in some type of way. Whatever you felt you were good at, because remember I said personify. So whatever it is about your aura, something that you personified, I feel like you've lost that over the past few years, 5 years, 5. And it's starting to bug you a bit. It's starting to bug you. So there's a balance here. There's a level of excitement that comes with wanting a new opportunity, wanting an offer to be proposed to you. And there's also this, well, do I still got it? Am I still able to perform the way that I used to perform? Am I still able to, or will people take me even seriously should I step into that area? Because maybe you didn't do this thing that you're going to get a proposal for professionally, right? And if not, then it's like, well, you're balancing that out right now. Can you actually do it professionally? So with that being said, until next time, that's the message. I'm out.